Hi, our story is titled The Future is Now Preparing for an AI Driven World. It's a story about the emerging dominance of AI in many different fields, how it's going to play into the future, its implications on society, and what are the best approaches to um, foster an environment where AI can grow and help mankind in general. The team members are as displayed on the screen. So, where technology of AI meets human connection. John is a CEO of a private investments company. He is burdened with a lot of decision making tasks for the day, and he is still left with one last decision to make about his next major investment. But he decides to sleep on it and go home and relax for a bit. So he hops on to his driverless car, and as he is heading back home, a car that's coming from the opposite end with a driver in it, um, unfortunately, comes the wrong way, and John meets with a small minor accident. He then goes into the hospital, and with a lot of advanced treatment and medical imaging, which is also done by AI powered devices, he is put to good rest and is doing okay the next day. But as he sits on his bed, he thinks about how in both places AI has had a major role to play, and this indeed means that it is a very powerful tool which needs to be handled with a lot of care and responsibility. He goes back and looks at the data collected over the years in how investment trends have been over time. Corporate spending on AI has skyrocketed in recent years, surging to 276 billion in 2021 across mergers, minority stakes, private investments, and public offerings. Mergers and acquisitions have been a driving force with 119.7 billion poured into AI acquisitions in 2021 alone. Private investments have also soared, nearly doubling to 125 billion that year as investors back promising startups. The interest stems from AI's vast potential to transform industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and manufacturing. John had his market research team look into the scope of AI in these fields. AI powered robots in manufacturing helped in improving efficiency, reducing manual labor costs, and enhanced defect free delivery. In healthcare, AI helps in diagnosis, drug discovery, and remote patient monitoring systems and treatment. In finance, it enables smarter investment strategies and fraud detection. The more autonomous vehicles there are, transportation can get much safer and greener. The team finally summarizes that the data paints a picture of unprecedented innovation and profound societal change on the horizon. By embracing AI's opportunities responsibly, we can create a better and prosperous future for all. John then decides to boldly move forward with his next major investment for an R&D based company in sustainable AI powered vehicles. So we'd like to end with the moral of our story, which is a quote by Stephen Hawking. Success in creating AI would be the biggest event in human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last unless we learn how to avoid the risks.